How to stop gaps with mirror modifier in Blender. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. Excuse me. So if you want to stop gaps uh, in uh, in Blender when you're using mirror modifier, so what I'm talking about is when you're using and you're dragging and it's like overlapping. It's super easy to fix this problem, and I'll show you right now. You just need to to check clipping, and now if I'm trying to do this, you will not allow me because I'm overlapping, but will allow me to move left and right, but will not overlap, which is very annoying when you're working. As you can see, it's like close to each other. It's exactly what you really want, probably. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this short tutorial saved your time and helped you. That's my goal with this YouTube channel. And thank you guys for watching. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll create a tutorial if there's a question and there's something that I know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.